Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best wireless router for large home and multiple devices. Number 1. TP-Link Gigabit Wireless. Experience next-level connectivity with a cutting-edge tri-band Wi-Fi 6E router designed to revolutionize your internet experience. Delivering blazing fast speeds of up to 5,400 megabits per second across 3 bands, 6 GHz, 2,402 megabits per second, 5 GHz, 2,402 megabits per second, and 2.4 GHz, 574 megabits per second, this router ensures seamless browsing, streaming, gaming, and downloading, even with multiple devices connected. The 6 GHz band unlocks more bandwidth, offering faster speeds and near-zero latency for ultra-responsive gaming and smooth video calls. Built to handle the demands of modern households, the advanced OFDMA technology boosts network capacity, allowing simultaneous connections for numerous devices without compromising performance. Powered by a robust 1.7 GHz quad-core CPU and 512 MB high-speed memory, it delivers unmatched efficiency for all your online activities. Enjoy whole home coverage by pairing with one mesh extenders, creating a unified network for uninterrupted connectivity. Security is top-notch with premium protection features, including parental controls, quality of service, and IoT device safeguards. The router also supports VPN server and client functionality, adding flexibility and privacy for your network. Compatible with all major internet providers, this router is a perfect choice for anyone seeking unparalleled speed, capacity, and security for their home network. Number 2. NETGEAR Wi-Fi 6 Router. Elevate your home network with a powerful Wi-Fi 6 router that delivers exceptional coverage and performance. Designed to cover up to 2,500 square feet and support up to 25 devices, this router provides blazing fast AX 5400 gigabit speeds for seamless streaming, HD gaming, and smooth web conferencing. Built on advanced Wi-Fi 6 technology, it ensures a faster, more reliable connection even in busy households with multiple connected devices. Outfitted with 4 Gigabit Ethernet ports and a USB 3.0 port, this router offers flexible connectivity options for wired devices like computers, gaming consoles, and storage drives. It replaces your existing Wi-Fi router and connects effortlessly to any cable modem, making it compatible with internet service providers offering speeds up to 1 gigabit per second, including cable, satellite, fiber, and DSL. Security is a top priority, with industry-leading protection features enabled by default. Automatic firmware updates and cutting-edge safety tools safeguard your family and devices from online threats. Enhanced privacy and real-time protection are included with a 1-year subscription to advanced security services. Effortless setup and management are made possible with an intuitive app, allowing you to optimize your network with ease. Designed to enhance your digital lifestyle, this router ensures reliable, high-speed connectivity throughout your home. Number 3. NETGEAR Features. Upgrade to next-generation connectivity with a cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 router that delivers blazing fast speeds of up to 9.3 gigabits per second. Experience seamless gaming, smooth streaming, and lag-free video conferencing as this router powers your entertainment and productivity needs. With speeds 2.4 times faster than Wi-Fi 6, it ensures top-tier performance across all your connected devices, even in bandwidth-intensive households. Designed for modern spaces, its sleek and compact design is paired with high-performance antennas to provide reliable Wi-Fi coverage across 2,500 square feet. A 2.5 gig internet port enables multi-gig speeds, perfect for the latest cable or fiber internet plans, while two 2.5 gig and two 1 gig Ethernet LAN ports offer ultra-fast wired connections for gaming consoles, PCs, and smart devices. Security is paramount, with advanced protection features enabled right out of the box. Automatic firmware updates and cutting-edge tools safeguard your network and devices from online threats. Enjoy added privacy and real-time hacker protection with included advanced security services, featuring a 30-day trial. The intuitive app simplifies setup and management, ensuring you can quickly optimize your network for maximum performance. Designed for exceptional speed, security, and coverage, this router is your ultimate home networking solution. Number 4. TP-Link Gigabit. Transform your home network with a high-performance Wi-Fi 6 router designed to deliver exceptional speed, coverage, and reliability. With lightning-fast Wi-Fi speeds of up to 5,400 megabits per second, it ensures seamless 8K streaming, lag-free gaming, and uninterrupted browsing or downloading across multiple devices simultaneously. The advanced 4T4R and He160 technologies on the 5 GHz band enable ultra-fast connections of up to 4.8 gigabits per second, providing optimal performance for modern digital lifestyles. Engineered for extensive coverage, this router features 6 high-power antennas, beamforming technology, and a robust 4T4R structure to ensure stable Wi-Fi signals throughout your home, from the living room to the kitchen and beyond. Improved ventilation reduces heat, enabling consistent performance during intensive use. Stay connected with ease using the USB 3.0 port for seamless media sharing and private cloud storage. Advanced MU-MIMO and OFDMA technology support multiple devices, reducing network congestion and boosting throughput by 4 times. Enhanced security features, including basic parental controls, network scans, and quality of service, keep your devices safe and your network optimized. Compatible with all major internet providers, this router is the perfect choice for a future-ready, high-speed home network. Number 5. NETGEAR Gigabit Router. Experience seamless connectivity with a high-performance Wi-Fi 6 router designed for modern households. Covering up to 2,000 square foot and supporting up to 25 devices, it delivers lightning-fast AX 4200 gigabit speeds, ensuring uninterrupted streaming, HD gaming, and smooth web conferencing for everyone in your home. Built with advanced Wi-Fi 6 technology, it provides a more reliable and efficient connection, even in high-traffic networks. This router is designed to replace your existing Wi-Fi router and easily connects to your cable modem, making it compatible with all internet service providers offering speeds up to 1 gigabit per second, including cable, satellite, fiber, and DSL. With 4 gigabit Ethernet ports, you can connect computers, gaming consoles, and streaming devices for fast and stable wired connections. Security is a top priority, featuring automatic firmware updates and cutting-edge safety tools to protect your network and devices. An included 30-day trial of advanced security services shields all connected devices from online threats, ensuring peace of mind for your family. Setting up and managing your network is simple with the intuitive app, giving you full control of your Wi-Fi performance. Designed for convenience and performance, this router keeps your home network running smoothly. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.